Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Tab. It's officially crunch time for Samsung fans. The Galaxy S24 Unpacked event is just 1 week away. Excitement is at an all-time high, and official Unpacked event billboards are lit up in major cities around the world right now. According to Sammobile, these huge displays are promoting the new teaser for the Galaxy AI in major cities, including Bangkok, Milan, New York, London, Seoul, and more. Few days earlier, 2 new hands-on photos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra dropped, giving us our closest look yet at the upcoming flagship. Now, at first glance, it might seem pretty similar to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. But if you squint hard enough, you can spot some key differences. First up, the display is turned on this time. It's ditching the curved edges of the past. The S24 Ultra shows a flat screen with noticeably thinner bezels. Compared to leaked renders, it seems like Samsung truly went the extra mile to minimize that bezel footprint. And Samsung fans going to love this, including me. Flipping the phone over, the back panel looks familiar. But as per the rumors, it's made of titanium. This would be a first for the Ultra line, and the leaked titanium gray color certainly lends credence to the theory. This titanium frame will increase the overall strength and resistant to corrosion in seawater or water with chlorine than an Armor aluminum one. Also, it might shave off some of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's weight, resulting in a lighter phone. I will share a highlights video for the Unpacked event, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to see it first. With launch day inching closer, we can expect the floodgates of leaks to burst wide open. As of now, the live call translation powered by Galaxy AI is the only confirmed AI feature. It will turn mobile devices into personal translators for users who need them. This will enable audio and text translation in real time to help have a phone call conversation with people who speak a different language. Leaked reports also reveal mind-blowing photo editing features and other on-device innovations that could truly shake up the smartphone game. So buckle up, Samsung fans, because the next week is going to be a wild ride. Keep your eyes peeled for more leaks, and be sure to tune in to the Unpacked event on January 17th to see if these rumors pan out. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your predictions for the S24 series. Please hit the like button if you found it helpful. If you want to see the official teaser for the upcoming Unpacked event, just click here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.